Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants, Short Notes and Summary from Class 7, Subject Science. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of taking in food and using it for energy, growth, and repair. All living organisms need food to survive. Nutrients, the components of food like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Modes of nutrition in plant. First, autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, tropic means nourishment. Plants make their own food using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and minerals. Plants are autotrophs. Second, heterotrophic nutrition. Animals, including humans, depend on plants or other animals for food. They are called heterotrophs. Next, photosynthesis, food making process. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Plants use carbon dioxide from air, water from soil, sunlight, chlorophyll, green pigment in leaves, photosynthesis equation, carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives carbohydrate, glucose and oxygen. Oxygen is released as a byproduct. Food is stored as starch in plants. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living beings. Next, synthesis of other nutrients. Plants also make proteins and fats. Proteins need nitrogen. Plants absorb nitrogen from the soil with the help of bacteria or fertilizers. Next, other modes of nutrition in plants. First, parasitic plants. Example, Cuscuta amarbale has no chlorophyll, takes food from host plant. Such plants are called parasites. Second, insectivorous plants. Example, pitcher plant traps and digests insects. They are green but grow in soil lacking nutrients, especially nitrogen. Third, saprotrophs. Example, fungi like mushrooms, bread mold, get nutrients from dead and decaying matter. They show saprotrophic nutrition. Fourth, symbiotic relationship. Example, lichens, algae and fungi live together. Algae provide food, fungi provide water and shelter. Rhizobium bacteria live in root nodules of legumes, peas, beans, mung. They convert nitrogen gas into a form usable by plants. How soil nutrients are replenished. Plants absorb minerals from the soil. Soil gets depleted. Fertilizers and manures are added to restore nutrients. Rhizobium bacteria help by fixing nitrogen from the air into the soil. Quick summary. Green plants prepare their own food, autotrophs. They need sunlight, chlorophyll, CO2, carbon dioxide, and water. Food means carbohydrates stored as starch, also helps in making proteins and fats. Other modes parasitic, saprotrophic, insectivorous, and symbiotic. Soil nutrients need to be replenished regularly. Next, keywords definition. Autotrophic, the mode of nutrition in which organisms make their own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide and water using sunlight is called autotrophic nutrition. Example, green plants. Second, chlorophyll. It is the green pigment found in the leaves of plants that helps in absorbing sunlight, which is essential for photosynthesis. Third, heterotrophs, organisms that cannot make their own food and depend on other organisms, plants or animals for their nutrition are called heterotrophs. Example, humans, animals. Fourth, host. A host is the plant or organism that provides food and shelter to a parasitic plant or organism. Fifth, insectivorous. Plants that trap and digest insects to obtain nutrients, especially nitrogen, are called insectivorous plants. Example, pitcher plant. Sixth, nutrient. Substances in food that are required for the growth, energy, repair and maintenance of the body are called nutrients. Examples, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Seventh, nutrition. The process of taking in food and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Eighth, parasite. An organism or plant that lives on or inside another living organism host and gets its food from it is called a parasite. Example, Cascata amarbale. Ninth, photosynthesis, the process by which green plants make their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. 10th, saprotrophs, organisms that obtain their food from dead and decaying matter are called saprotrophs. Example, fungi. 11th, saprotrophic, the mode of nutrition in which organisms feed on dead and decaying organic matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. 12th, stomata. Stomata, the singular is stoma, are tiny openings or pores usually found on the underside of plant leaves. Think of them like the plant's way of breathing. So friends, we have completed short notes, summary and keyword definitions from chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants. We will do question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.